Hi everyone, I'm back with another tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can find out if someone has blocked you on Snapchat or not. So there is no such direct method on finding if they have blocked you or not, but then there are some few alternative methods which you can give it a try. In this following video I will be showing you few methods on how you can check whether they have blocked you or not, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Let us get started. First of all, open up your Snapchat application. So the first method of checking whether they have blocked you or not is by locating them on your friend list. So then tap on your Bitmoji or your profile icon in the top left corner. Now over here on this page, simply scroll down and then tap on My Friends. So as you tap on My Friends, over here you can see all the friend list that is on your Snapchat. So try and finding out the person that you actually think he or she might have blocked. In case if you cannot find the user, so that might slightly indicate that he or she must have blocked you on Snapchat. And it might also be a scenario that he or she must have logged out or deleted the account. So this method is not always correct. So the second method of finding out whether they have blocked you or not is to simply go back and on the home page tap on chats. So over here on the chat page, if you were frequently texting or sending snap to this following person that you think he or she must have blocked you, in case if the chat page is missing over here, so that might indicate that he or she must have blocked you. But then this also indicates that he or she must have logged out of their account or they must have deleted the account. So that is also not reliable source. So another method is typing on their name or by searching their username on the friend list. So what you have to do is you simply have to tap on the search icon or you'll have to tap on add friend. Just tap on it. If you remember the username, so then type in. What you can do is you can either use another account or you can use somebody else's phone in order to locate them. And if it happens that you found out the profile icon from the another account or from another phone or any other Snapchat account, which means that he or she must have blocked. So these were the few methods on how you can check whether someone has blocked you on Snapchat or not. So that is all for this video. In case if the video was helpful, then make sure to like, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.